I could have picked up a canoe and I would have kayaked and canoed on the river. But that would not be an interesting campaign. The journey of plastic is very simple. It all starts here with us, you know. The only thing we can do is to reduce our plastic footprint. So I thought, why don't I cycle on the river and not off-road by the Thames? And that is when I had got these two floats, a propeller and a rudder, and I've got this fishing nets behind me. Banning the plastic bag or plastic straw will not solve the whole thing. We have to really deal with the core of the problem. The Thames project started with cycling on the British waterways on the River Thames actually, trying to raise awareness about plastic pollution, about the amount of plastic we have on the waterways. Everything starts in the canal, in the river, from the canal to the river to the ocean, and from the ocean back to the dinner plate as fish or stuff like that. So this is what the project was all about, to raise more awareness. I made the bike myself. It's made of bamboo and hemp and epoxy. So I put this together for a project in Colombia. I'm just using it now to just clean up different waterways around the world. Plastic is a fantastic material. We use plastic everywhere and it's great, it's light compared to other stuff. So we need to be very, very careful, especially on single-use plastic. But other plastic that are reused, that are really great. But single-use plastic, you have to be careful. But obviously, it's a behavioral change, and we have to come up with huge behavioral change campaigns and things like that to motivate more people to do something around it. So how can we make profit and encourage behavioral change without compromising on convenience? I'm organizing a hackathon now to brainstorm and find for-profit business solutions by the end of the day. And I hope we'll be able to come up with a few business models out of it. Initially, when I was in the river collecting plastic and just cycling along, no one really cared. But now people are really switched on. They're actually sending me messages. I've got emails from people around the world telling me how they're trying to reduce their plastic footprint. And I've got emails from around the world who would like to do the similar projects in their own small communities, from Thailand to Brazil to Kenya to India. So that's very rewarding, because for me, I'm trying to help people stem and protect their waterways, their rivers, and I think people want to do it, and I'm able to help them with all the things I've learned. So that's rewarding for me right now.